Alright, good morning, Pandemic family. Today, we're dropping off the Dark Knight at the shop to get a diagnostics ran on the back axle. I got some clanking sounds going on that I feel like I need to get specifically diagnosed before I'm out here just wasting money. So, haven't driven the car in probably like a few days. So this is gonna be a true cold start. Keep the cover on it. Gotta make sure you keep the cover on the car. Make sure you got the climate control. Start. See how it sounds beautiful. Let the whip go ahead and warm up before I drop them off at the shop. So I'll get back to y'all when we on the road. So we moving at a certain speed between like 50. You can't hear the clunking. I believe it's the CV axle that's doing it, man. But you can't really hear it until you going like at a slower speed. You can hear like a clunking sound. But we're rolling right now, everything. Temperatures are great. Fan's blowing so crazy, the fan don't even move for the temperature wise. But it's hard to drive a manual and record, so just got y'all a little riding footage. Y'all can see how I ride. The main coilovers are going crazy. To the shop safe and sound. Everything was good except for that little sound that we're dropping them off for. Down, running strong. Oh, running amazing. Just gotta get the small things fixed so I can have a pretty picture, man. So, but like I said, gonna get the diagnostics ran on why the rear end is making a clunking sound. Don't need none of that going on while I'm out here trying to hit these gears. Let y'all have an idea what them 275s looking like. 275 30 19s on the back. So yeah. We'll drop them off, get the diagnostics, and hopefully it don't take a million days. You know how this go. But this is a pretty reputable shop. Looks could be deceiving on what it looked like out here, right? It's crazy. But you got a lot of foreigners out here and they know what they're doing, so we're gonna let them see. I'm gonna see what he got going on. But yeah, just give me a second. I'm gonna let y'all know on the update how long this may take. All right, we back, people. The car's dropped off. Mr. Edwards said my car's in good hands. You know, my cousin been dropping his car off at this shop previously 3-4 times already. And the guy always did good work. So I'm gonna get this diagnostic on the CV axle to make sure that's what's going on. I just don't want to be buying parts and stuff for no reason and be just wasting money. I can't do that with an M3. Everybody know in the M3 world it costs. So yeah, I'm with my mom. Well, I'm driving my mom around right now, running these errands. So she just added me in with dropping the car off. So probably in 2 or 3 days, hopefully no more than that. It's not no big rush because I need this stuff done correctly. And yeah, so that's what's going on right now. And when I get an update, I'll make a video on the update and let everybody know what's going on. But, all right, pandemic family, I'll be out. Like, share, subscribe, man. Tell your friends and family. It's a pandemic out here. We made it.